Okay guys, is announcement competition, and I'm going to show you something. This is a GoPro. Okay, you can see that it's really grotty because that's what I use to do the UK trailer technician. It's rubbish. The quality is okay, but it crashes and it doesn't upload stuff, and I lose quite a lot of footage of this. If you're ever thinking of buying stuff like the GoPro, don't get the white. It's not good. You can't even change the screen on here. Okay, so just one thing. I know some of you guys like a little bit of sport with cameras. Other thing is basic tools and skills. Okay, from the Royal Engineers. Andy Main gave me this. Thank you very much. This is an excellent resource, and it will be used on occasion to think about when I'm doing prepper stuff with the fly. Okay, so there's plenty of stuff on how to lash stuff properly, how to use ropes properly, and all that sort of thing, which I never thought of, to be honest with you. But now I've seen it, this is actually a valuable resource. So bang on, Andy, I appreciate that. I actually work with Andy Main, so yeah, I've already thanked him anyway, but I'm really chuffed about it. So anyway, do you drink with a coffee jug? I do. So first of all, yeah, the announcement is the UK trailer technician and the fly projects. I'm going to split those apart, and we're going to be doing alternate weeks for each of those. So you'll get UK trailer technician one week and you will get the fly the next week. This way it makes it a little bit more comprehensive, and you don't have to skip past the Corsa C project if you're not interested, or if you're not interested in trailers, skip past all of that. So a little bit more detailed, I hope. Generally I try to think on the go and make videos on the go with the GoPro, and I'm very opportunistic when it comes to the UK trailer technician. Whatever comes in, if it's interesting, I'll show you. Yeah, otherwise sometimes I'll just like it's the same run-of-the-mill stuff. But the fly takes a little bit of time to get together, so yeah, this gives me a breather. Plus I've got tons of irons in the fire as well. I'm doing all sorts, not only looking after a house and everything else. Yeah, it's another channel I've got as well, which is about men's health. Some of you are interested, some of you are not. I'm slowly building that channel up, which will be a resource for some of you guys. Yeah, trust me, there's a lot of stuff in this brain here. Okay, so the competition, drum roll. Oh, actually, all right, I don't have the effect for that, but yeah, right. Tyre pressure gauge, one that I showed you on the UK trailer technician. It doesn't work for me because I can't fit them to the valves on the trailers. They're just in the wrong position. I'm not going to damage the tool to adapt it, okay? But the guys I work with, they all have them. They've been checked, calibrated, and they are for professional use, which is good. You can do twin wheels and all that sort of thing, and trucks and vans and cars. It's not a problem as long as the valve is sticking towards you or sticking away from you. If it's heading towards the hub, if it's pointing towards the hub, there's no way you can take a pressure reading. Yeah, so trailer fitters, unless you're doing units as well, I wouldn't bother entering this competition. But it's open to technicians and DIYers, anybody who finds a use for it. It is high pressure readings you can get off it, so 123 psi for a front tyre on an XF, yeah, 150 or something like that. Easy done. Yeah, that's the highest pressure you probably ever read on those. So yeah, that goes up to 200 odd psi reading, so you're safe there for high pressure tyre readings. So what I want from you is, what type of vehicles do you work on generally, or what do you fix generally? Are you truck, bus, tractor, plants, or DIY, cars, vans, or Land Rovers, or whatever? Yeah, all you need to do is just put one word or one hyphenated word down below in the comments on this video, nowhere else, not on social media or anything like that, just on YouTube. What I'll do then is get all the names together after 2 weeks and mix them up, put my hand in the bag, and then pull out a winner. Right, that's as simple as, and anybody from around the world can join in with this. All right, it's a good tool. If, for instance, you don't have the patience, then what you can do is jump onto my Amazon shop front and buy one if you want. I'll get a little bit of a percentage, not much, and you don't pay any extra, but what it does is help me out and keep this channel running, because things like that GoPro, I have to buy stuff like that because they do wear out, they do get wrecked. Yeah, because I'm doing that type of video production. Yeah, so anyway, get scrolling below, clacking away the old keyboard, and then wait to see the announcement, which will be in 2 weeks, let's say 2 weeks Sunday. Yeah, right, okay, so until then, I'm going to enjoy the coffee mug coffee, or the coffee jug coffee, should I say, with my moniker on it. Yeah. All right, so anyway guys, I shall see you later. Take it easy, have a good week, and don't get hurt. Right, goodbye.